How to add transition in video in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add transitions in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Here you can see I have already opened up my project. So if I want to add the transition in the video, all I have to do is just tap right here on the transition icon, and you can see at the beginning of the every part of this video there will be a transition icon. So this one is transition icon. To get the transition video, I have to tap right here on this icon, and you can see I will get the different options to add the transition. So let me select any of the so let me select one of the effect. So let me select this one, and if I tap on this you can see the changes. Let me tap another one, and you can see the transitions effect will be changed. So this is how you can easily add the transitions in video in YT Create application. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.